Are you tired of seeing your portfolio bleed when crypto prices crash? Well, guess what? You can actually make money during a bear market. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact strategies you can use to profit while everyone else is panicking. So stay tuned, because what I'm about to share could completely change the way you think about crypto. We've all seen the volatility of the cryptocurrency market. Prices skyrocket one day and then crash the next. But here's the secret. Just because the market is down doesn't mean you have to lose money. In fact, some traders make their biggest profits during these downturns. Make sure to watch the whole video, because in this video, I will reveal a method that almost guarantees you to make some profit. Short selling is essentially betting against the price of a cryptocurrency. You borrow a certain amount of crypto from a platform or exchange, sell it at the current market price, and then later buy it back at a lower price to return it. The difference between your sell price and buyback price is your profit. Let's say Bitcoin is at $30,000 and you short it. You sell 1 BTC and wait for the price to drop to $25,000. You then buy it back at that lower price and return it to the exchange. That $5,000 difference is your profit. To successfully short sell, you need to start by choosing a reliable exchange like Binance or Kraken. Make sure to set up a margin account, as short selling typically involves borrowing assets. It's crucial to understand market trends and use technical analysis to identify likely downturns. Don't just rely on guesswork. You'll need tools like moving averages, trendlines, and candlestick patterns to predict price drops accurately. Also, it's wise to use a stop-loss order to limit your potential losses in case the market goes against you. This ensures you don't lose more than you're willing to risk. Stablecoins are pegged to fiat currencies like the US dollar. When the market is going down, you can move your funds into stablecoins like USDT, USDC, or DAI to avoid losses. This way, you lock in the value of your holdings and preserve your capital while the market tanks. If Bitcoin drops 30%, your stablecoins stay at the same value, and then when the market bottoms out, you can buy crypto at a much lower price. Some exchanges even offer interest on your stablecoins, so while you wait for the market to recover, you can still be earning passive income. If you want to use this method, first, ensure you're using a reputable exchange that offers a wide variety of stablecoins, such as Binance or Coinbase. The key to success here is timing. When you see signs of a market downturn, like declining prices across major coins, you can quickly convert your assets into stablecoins. Keep a portion of your portfolio always ready to be converted into stablecoins, so you're prepared to make the switch when volatility strikes. Once the market stabilizes or starts climbing again, that's when you can re-enter and purchase your favorite cryptos at lower prices. Staking allows you to lock up your crypto on a blockchain network in exchange for rewards. During a market downturn, instead of selling your crypto at a loss, you can stake it and earn rewards while holding on to your assets. For instance, platforms like Binance, Kraken, or Coinbase offer staking rewards on coins like Ethereum, Polkadot, and Cardano. Even if the price is falling, you're still earning rewards in the form of more coins, which could be worth a lot more when the market recovers. You can also deposit your crypto in interest-earning accounts, such as those offered by BlockFi, Nexo, or Celsius, where you earn interest on your holdings without actively trading. To get started with staking, choose a platform that offers competitive rewards. Binance, Kraken, and Coinbase are all excellent options. Look for coins with a strong track record like Ethereum 2.0, Cardano, or Polkadot, which offer decent staking rewards. The key here is to stake for the long term. Even if prices drop, you'll be accumulating more of the asset. Make sure you understand the locking periods. Some staking contracts lock your assets for a specific time. Use this downtime to learn more about the projects you're staking in, as their long-term value could significantly increase once the market recovers. Dollar cost averaging involves consistently buying small amounts of cryptocurrency at regular intervals, regardless of the price. This reduces the impact of volatility because you're spreading out your purchases over time. If Bitcoin is crashing, instead of buying a large amount at once, you might buy $100 worth every week. Some weeks you'll buy at lower prices, others at higher prices, but over time, you get an average price that's more stable. DCA is a powerful strategy for long-term investors who believe in the future of crypto. When the market recovers, those regular purchases will have accumulated and grown in value. To implement DCA effectively, start by deciding on a regular schedule for purchasing crypto, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Set aside a fixed dollar amount for each purchase, no matter the market conditions. This reduces the emotional impact of market swings. Consider using platforms like Coinbase or Binance, where you can set up automatic purchases. Make sure you track your purchases using tools like CoinMarketCap's portfolio feature. Over time, DCA can lower your average buying price, giving you a more solid foundation when the market recovers. Arbitrage involves buying a cryptocurrency on one exchange where the price is lower, and then immediately selling it on another exchange where the price is higher. This difference in prices creates a quick profit opportunity. Let's say Bitcoin is trading at $30,000 on Binance, but on Kraken, it's at $30,200. You buy on Binance and sell on Kraken, pocketing the difference. You can use tools like CoinMarketCap's arbitrage tracker to find these price gaps. This method requires speed and small transaction fees, so it's perfect for those who want quick, low-risk trades. To succeed at arbitrage, you need to monitor price discrepancies across multiple exchanges like Binance, Kraken, and KuCoin. You can use automated tools or bots like CryptoHopper to track these price differences in real time. It's also important to keep an eye on transaction fees. Some exchanges may offer a price difference, but after fees, the profit could be minimal. Arbitrage opportunities often arise during periods of high volatility, so be ready to act quickly when you spot a price difference. Additionally, make sure to have accounts on multiple exchanges so you can instantly transfer your funds to capitalize on the opportunity. At the end of the video, I'll reveal you the best exchanges to use, so make sure to keep watching. During market downturns, many investors panic sell their NFTs at lower prices. This creates an opportunity for savvy buyers. You can scoop up valuable NFTs at discounted prices and hold on to them until the market recovers. For example, if a rare NFT drops from 5 ETH to 2 ETH during a crash, you can buy it, hold, and wait for the market to pick back up. When it does, you can flip it for a profit. Some NFT platforms even offer staking rewards or allow you to rent out your NFTs, earning passive income while you wait for the market to recover. During a bear market, many investors panic and list their NFTs at discounted prices, thinking the market won't recover. If you have a keen eye, you can identify undervalued NFTs that belong to blue-chip collections or have strong future potential. Before purchasing, research the artist, the project's community, and any upcoming developments that could increase the value. To further increase your earnings, you can list the NFT for rent on platforms like NFTFi or create staking opportunities with it. That way, you're not just holding on to the asset, you're actively earning while waiting for the market to bounce back. Yield farming is another method to make money during crypto market downturns. You can lend your crypto assets on decentralized finance platforms like Aave, Compound, or Uniswap and earn interest. The trick here is to pick stablecoin pools or other lower-risk options that offer high yields. You'll need to familiarize yourself with liquidity pools and impermanent loss, but once you understand the risks, this can be a highly profitable venture, even in a bear market. Start with smaller amounts until you're comfortable, and reinvest your earnings to grow your income over time. Before we wrap up, it's crucial to emphasize the importance of choosing the right crypto exchange, especially if you're serious about making money. A reliable platform will ensure your transactions are secure, offer low fees, and provide opportunities like bonuses and rewards to boost your earnings. Here are some of the top exchanges that are beginner-friendly and offer some great perks when you sign up. 1. Binance. Binance is one of the most widely used crypto exchanges worldwide, and it's ideal for both beginners and experienced traders. When you create an account, Binance often offers promotions like bonus crypto for first-time deposits or discounted trading fees for a limited time. It's a platform that offers a vast selection of cryptocurrencies and even features like staking, where you can earn passive income by holding your crypto. 2. Coinbase. Coinbase is perfect for anyone new to the crypto space. It's easy to use and the platform runs frequent promotions where new users get a bonus, like $10 in Bitcoin when they trade their first $100. Coinbase also has a feature where you can earn free crypto by watching educational videos. This makes it one of the most rewarding platforms to start with, especially if you're still learning the ropes. 3. Kraken. Kraken is another top-tier exchange with strong security and a wide range of cryptocurrencies. One of the standout benefits is its low fees compared to many other platforms. While Kraken doesn't often have direct sign-up bonuses, it does offer some of the most competitive staking rewards, where you can earn money by holding on to your crypto. For long-term holders, this is a great way to maximize your earnings while keeping your assets safe. 4. Crypto.com. Crypto.com offers a variety of perks when you create an account, including their popular debit card, which allows you to spend your crypto and earn cashback rewards. New users often receive sign-up bonuses like bonus crypto after their first deposit or staking rewards for holding Crypto.com's native token. If you're looking to get some extra value right out of the gate, Crypto.com is an excellent platform to check out. 5. Qcoin. Qcoin is known for its vast selection of altcoins and lower fees. As a new user, you may qualify for bonus promotions, including discounts on your trading fees or crypto airdrops. Qcoin also has a strong referral program, meaning you can benefit by inviting friends once you're set up. Their wide range of features, from margin trading to lending and staking, make it a comprehensive platform for any serious trader. The benefits of signing up for these platforms, from bonus crypto to rewards for completing small tasks, can give you a head start in your crypto journey. Make sure you choose an exchange that suits your needs, offers good security, and provides the right tools for making the most of your investments. Make sure to check the description to check out the best exchanges to maximize your earnings. So, there you have it. Just because the market is crashing doesn't mean you have to lose money. With short selling, stablecoins, staking, dollar cost averaging, arbitrage trading, and NFTs, there are plenty of ways to make a profit even in a bear market. Let me know in the comments which strategy you're going to try first. Make sure to like this video, subscribe for more crypto content.